G'day guys, hope you're all well. I've just pulled over here to make a video at my new workshop. I haven't signed yet, but it's mine. I've put a holding deposit down on it to lease this place. I'll get out in a minute and show you guys. But I thought, you know, I should make a video. Tiana, I think on Instagram, said, "Where's Mechanical Mentor?" Thank you. And what's been going on? Hi, Richard. Hi, Mark. Hi, everyone. What's been going on? Everything's been great. The car's been fine. I have a feeling I need to check the oil. So I serviced it once. I was going to make a video about this phenomenon that when I turn the wheel, there we go. It's doing it. Look. It goes on the spot. So there is something with the steering in these cars. I've been a bit preoccupied. There's been a few questions. I will promise I'll attend to them, of people going, is the steering heavier? And obviously the questions all come from existing videos, but the car's going great. Very soft. It's getting soft. All right. Too much lift, too much dive. Once I get in my new workshop, then I can actually, probably toughen up the sway bars and stuff on it. Hey. So anyway, this is it. And what I'll do now with the video, it's gonna be pretty short. So this is gonna be the new workshop. It's not a workshop at the moment. It's got to be certified. I've got to fit the whole thing out. But this is it here. This is in Sydney, Australia, and it's quite a good location. It's got a good exposure, and there's a mechanic next door. There's a panel shop next door, stuff like that. So, you know, I'll be looking forward to... Oh, shit, sorry, I blocked him in. I'll be looking forward to make YouTube videos and stuff in here. Anyway, I'll wrap it up, guys. Sorry, mate. Oh, okay, my name's Rami. I just took that.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
What
Are you Rosebery steering?
Yeah,
mechanic?
yeah. Are you mechanic?
Yeah, I'll just pause this.